Hello everyone, this is my second video on my 1950 Chevy truck build. Today's parts day. Got a couple boxes from No Limit. And this one looks like my rack companion. This video is just pretty much going to show just parts. Nothing too special or exciting yet. In this box, I've already kind of started going into it, but got my airbags today. A bunch of stuff with instructions. Another airbag. Some plates in here. As you can see there. Some shocks. They're made by SoCal. What else is in here? Hey. Looks like my main piece. Can't wait to get that in. And what's that say? Air glide mount. One second. Mounts. So it looks like the top airbag mount, shock mount, not too bad. Sorry, just realized that was sideways. And there's the other one. And a better picture of this. And there's that. Definitely gonna have some fun. I guess I could show a few things that I've done different since the last video. Actually, I changed tailgates. I got this one, which is in way better condition than my last one, so I put that on. Got the tail lights wired up and working. And I'm waiting for a few more parts to come in. And let's see, the only other thing that I did is took the box out, radio box. This heater system is probably going to come out. I found a original one that I'll be posting pictures of later, that I think I'm going to mount in, and then coated that with some Pour 15. See how it turned out. I think I'm going to do the rest of the floor with the same stuff. So anyways, that looks about like it for today. See you on the next one.